Namaskar. Wherever we are in the world, this one day brings every Odia back home. It's Pona Sankranti, our Odia New Year. Every year, sun starts a new chapter, and so do we. In every corner of Odisha, the day begins with Pona, a sacred cooling drink made of jaggery, coconut, ripe banana, bela, that is wood apple pump, and lots of love. Not just to quench thirst, but to welcome warmth, peace, sweetness into the year. This is Vasundhara Theki, a small earthen pot dripping water on tulsi plant. This is a beautiful Odia tradition to honor our dear Mother Earth, praying for rain, fertility and balance. Today is also Hanuman Jayanti. Born on this day, Hanuman showed us what loyalty, courage and faith look like. Across Odisha, people visit Hanuman temples, offer prayers and chant his name with devotion. To all my Odia Bhayo Bhauni across the world, let's celebrate our heritage with pride. Pona Sankranti, Hanuman Jayanti and Odia Navavarsara Vinandan.